So, Manchester United B team, nil. Arsenal first team, 1. One of the worst games of football you'll watch this season. I'm watching Betis versus Almeria. Yes, Almeria with 2 wins all season have scored at Betis. The first half is 2-1. And let me tell you right now, man like Isco is better than Martin Odegaard. Don't care. Don't care. Man like Isco is balling out still. That was one of the worst games of football. It was one of the worst Manchester United Arsenal games I've ever seen. And it was almost like they had an agreement, a pact to not kick each other, not have any fight or hunger or passion. Our border, we keep telling them, Matty, Trossardinho, yep. Where was Starboy? Oh, he limped off again. Of course he did, dropping a stinker. Thomas Partey, rubbish. Declan Couscous is back again. F Declan Rice, Declan Couscous. Our best player today, all jokes aside, for me, and you may differ, for me, our best player today was Saliba. That tells you all you need to know. We have gone to one of the worst teams in the league at home, or in just general, who have been slapped, and they dominated us in terms of the, the overall play. It was almost like we got our goal and went, yo, we'll sit back and hope we can defend this. Yeah, embarrassing. Make sure you sub to Southern Guna. We're going live straight after this for the emergency meeting. Gail, Kenny, Matty, Jez, myself, North side is now Madrid side. I'm trying to get Saeed on as well. Cheers. But Matty, talk to me, man. Talk to me. What did you make of that?
Man, I thought Saliba from the Arsenal side was the man of the match, but for me, the man of the match is Casemiro, because if he got his ass on side, we having a whole different discussion today. Whole different discussion. In all seriousness, though, Lee, that was one of the poorest United sides I'd ever seen in my life. I've seen some bad teams. That was one of the worst teams I'd ever seen. I've never seen United as low as I've seen them. I think after the game, they showed here in the States, they showed the water coming down in the stadium, just like somebody poked a hole through a pipe, and it's just the water just gushing out. Just sums up pretty much how this year's been for them. And then we go there. Everybody else in the universe, Coventry put 3 goals on United. Coventry City put 3 goals on United. We go there. We put 1. We put 1 goal. Well, you only need 3 points this time of the season. That's all that matters. It's just get 3 points. In theory, true. But let's say goal differential down the line starts to play a part. The day was the day you need to get the extra goals for the goal differential, because all you got is what you can get next week at Everton. So if it comes down to goal for goal, are you going to go goal for goal with City next week? If it comes down to it. Now, the Spurs game is a different matter, and we'll get to that in just a second. But let's say it comes down to that. And then, oh, well, man, we fought to the end and, all of this and that. Lee, for me, man, when we look at how this season is played out, I think for me, we're going to go back, we're going to look, and we're going to see all of the missed opportunities, the missed points, the cups thrown away. You're going to see everything that we've been through this year, and it's going to surface up, and it's going to really hurt some feelings. It's going to really hurt some feelings. Now, is there a side of me that says, would I love for us to win? Absolutely. I'm all for, I would love for us to win a trophy this year. But the realist in me, I look at where things are right now, and I just, for the life of me, I don't see where it's coming from, and I don't see how it's going to happen. It will literally take a miracle from Christ for something along that to happen.
I said a miracle from Christ.
Yeah, it would. It would take a miracle.
He resurrected.
Yeah, it would take a straight miracle.
He didn't resurrect on Easter, bro, because fucking Jesus, the Bolivian striker we have here, absolutely.
When I say a miracle, and I mean that a miracle from Christ, it would absolutely take that for us to win the title. I just don't see it happening, and we've got a section of our fan base who is completely embarrassed. Have completely embarrassed the name, the crest, the badge, the history of Arsenal by going on to social media networks saying, if you ain't an Arsenal fan, if you ain't a Spurs fan on Tuesday, you are not an Arsenal fan. What the hell is going on around here? What is going on around here?
Our third highest signing in our history, who's getting paid £1,616.66 per hour of every fucking day for 5 years, yeah, is out here saying, I'm a Spurs fan on Tuesday. This guy played for Chelsea and he now plays for Arsenal and he's supporting Spurs. This guy won Chelsea the Champions League.
I mean, that's what you have to do when you hear stuff like that, Lee. Take the glasses off and rub your face and just look around. Because
the Saeed one, it's a fan cam one.
Yeah, that's all you.
This is modern football, mate. This is where we're at. Yeah, this is where we're at. We've got fans telling us we're fake. Yeah, if we don't back the manager and we're Spurs fans, but now it's come full circle that if we don't support Spurs, who they've told us we support, on Tuesday, then we're not Arsenal. The whole world is inverted. It's upside down. These Io de puta, they've never had this, mate. They've never had this, They've never had this. They've never had discipline, and they were inverted. They were born buffering. Jolien says it all the time. These guys came out buffering, and they were born in deficit, But it makes for good content online. Oh, look at me. I'm a great Arsenal fan. Why do you think he said that tonight? 29. Why? Because he's already sat in the dressing room before that interview and he's seen what's going on online. Saeed texts me. Sorry to cut you. Saeed texts me. I'm not going to say exactly what he said. But Man United fans in the ground, I'll give you the basics. Man United fans in the ground are happy they never got spanked. Embarrassing. Night. Take care. Man United fans were in the ground, happy they didn't get spanked. Arsenal fans in the ground, and Saeed's at the ground, the swamp. They're sitting there going, well, we're all Tottenham on Tuesday. Two of the biggest clubs in world football, matey, are upside down. And this is where we're at, my friend.
You look at the level of play tonight, how bad that game was from a footballing standpoint, Lee. The football was bad tonight. Absolutely atrocious. Misplaced passes. It was just a horror show. Any neutral that watched that was asleep. They don't even know the game's over because they sleep. They wake up tomorrow to be Monday morning because they fell asleep. It was an embarrassment today. Like I said, we got the win. I'm fine with that. But this season is really going really leave a sour taste in people's mouths, man, because you're going to look. You beat all your top 6 teams, Lee. You beat all your major teams. Everybody got it. Everybody. You didn't lose the City. You beat City. You beat Liverpool. You beat United. You beat Spurs. You beat Chelsea. You beat everybody you need to beat.
Double over United for the first time in how long? 2002.
Yeah.
Nobody cares. We've won 27 games in the Prem, which is our highest ever. Nobody cares.
Hey, you know what? Somebody sent a message to me earlier today. They said we've got more wins than the Invincible season, which is an achievement. But where's the trophies? Where are the trophies? Where are the trophies? This is what
we're up against, my bro.
Yeah,
this is what we're up against, mate.
This is what I'm talking about.
You're the same age as me, yeah? We're both 41, yeah?
Right? If United played Arsenal back when we were coming up, there would have been a riot on the pitch.
Hey, that would have been a punch-up today.
There would have been pizza throw. Pizza throw.
Cesc with a pizza. Hey, big up Cesc, by the way. Phase 1, he got promoted.
Yeah.
Phase 1. What phase is it? What phase? What phase? Yeah, Xabi Alonso, baby treble, undefeated. Did they win tonight? Did they draw? They were 0-0 with Bochum. Let me see what Leverkusen did. Yeah,
you saw tonight what you saw.
Oh, they won 5-0. So he's on for a baby treble. They won 5-0, bro.
There you go. So there you go. You see,
away from home.
you see, Lee. When you look at the history. And people keep throwing out these numbers. They keep saying, oh, we've done this, and we've done the double over this since 2000. We've done the double over United. Yeah, but 2002, where are the trophies at? Where are the trophies at? That's all. Just where are the trophies? I hear any numbers, but I don't see no trophies attached to them. That's all that matters.
But Matty, we're up against Pep. Well, was Pep in the Europa League? I don't recall Pep being in the Europa League.
We had the Carabao Cup that was there for the taking. We had the FA Cup. We had
how did Super Duper Mig in phase 0.5 manage to beat Pep and then Lampard in the final?
All these trophies, Lee, have been thrown in the bin, and this is we was having a discussion with Dale Gunner early before I came on.
Bring up Dale, man.
And we were talking about the this undefeated. We went undefeated. Trophies. And then, how is history going to remember this team these last 2 years? I said they're going to remember it real simple. We bottled it 93%.
Yep.
And then we had a good enough team, but couldn't get over the line on this.
We botched it, Matty. Real talk. We said this on the broadcast, on the watch along. Yeah, this manager should have done something that Arsene Wenger couldn't do in 22 years.
Yeah,
back-to-back titles.
Yeah,
back-to-back titles against the great Lord Pep of fucking Barcelona or wherever the fuck he's from, right? Because let's be real, we were clear by 8 points. He bottled it. Clear by 8 points. He bottled it. We signed no one in Jan, right? Then we took 1 point out of 12 against Fulham and Aston Villa with our former manager, who, by the way, has played against us 5 times with 2 different clubs and has won 3 of them.
Yeah.
And all these dickheads, they want to sit here, and they are dickheads. They want to sit here and go, "Oh, you're not an Arsenal fan if you don't support Spurs. You absolute wasters." Yeah. Guess what, Io de Puta? I'm Aston Villa. Good evening, Unai Emery settings tomorrow because I fucking hope he beats Liverpool. Yeah? I hope he beats Liverpool because they're new dickheads that have absolutely disgraced our club today. And that 29 German giraffe that's disgraced our club today with his statement. Yeah, and Paul Merson giving it to Bertie as well, right? Every single one of you can get in the bin. Aston Villa beat Liverpool tomorrow. They qualify for Champions League. Yeah, I am Aston Villa all the way. I am a villain tomorrow. And on that bombshell, mate, I'll let you have the last roundup and we're going live. Yeah, hopefully a gal's joining us. I'm trying to get Saeed on for a little bit as well. Yeah, Isco's absolutely balling out, by the way.
Yeah, I'm watching it now. I'm saying that's what I'm saying, doing looking.
He's absolutely cooking. Look at him, man.
Yeah, I'm looking there.
Top Knot Isco is the best version of Isco, bro. Yeah, like, bro, this guy didn't have a club for 2 years. He is better than Gibraltar guard, brother. This guy is so sick, it is unreal. Look at the game. This team are bottom of the league. They're relegated, and they're having a go, bro. They were having a go all season.
And let that be a warning, and we'll end on that, Lee. Let that be a warning to everybody that think Everton ain't got nothing to play for next weekend. Because pride is always on the line. Pride is always on the line.
Especially with all the dice around, do you know what I mean?
They're going to have the cement sandwiches and
cement mixers in town.
Yeah. The next weekend game is monumental. We'll see what happened with Tuesday. But I'm here to tell you, it ain't looking good, man. And go look at it for those who are looking. Go look at the goal differential column and look how it just shrinking.
Yeah, man. They beat Tottenham 4-0. They got +1 on us. Yeah, then we're fucked. Even if they drop points.
Bingo.
Yeah, facts. And on that bombshell, we're out of it. Adios, hijo de puta. Ciao.